Starting a new job today, little demolition, make a little rental unit in this property. Here's BK the man. Be taking down this whole wall here, this center wall. In the closet, all these carpets will be coming out, and we're having some other stuff going on there. We're replacing all these floors, removing this kitchen, installing it on the other side for the rental unit for the customer, and they will be opening up this area for their play and game room and whatever they want to do. It's massive, this base.